That's it. I just want to say before I even get started, man, y'all look good. Y'all look beautiful, amazing. I don't know if y'all get told that every day, but I want to be the one to tell you that you beautiful, you amazing. You all that in a bag of chips. You feel what I'm saying? Was y'all feeling that? Was y'all feeling the walking like I told y'all? Hey, y'all killed that. Y'all killed that. Y'all killed that. Y'all think y'all go physical up there. All right. Now I just want to ask, when we talking about goals and we talking about visions, how many of you in here have goals, dreams? You have a vision, right? Okay. Now I want you to be honest when I ask you this next question. How many of you in here think that you can walk it just like you talk it? Right. Right. That's what we all say. I'm not gonna lie to you. We have these goals and these dreams, and we quick to tell everybody, it sounds good. Oh yeah, I want to be this, that. I want to be an astronaut. Right? I want to be an athlete. I want to higher my GPA. I want better grades. Right? Offers. My man Gabe said he's gonna get offers. But I'm gonna tell you the problem. I'm gonna tell you the issue. It's not the goals. It's not the dreams. It's not your vision. I just question a lot of you guys' intensity. Yeah, I'm coming straight from the throat. I'm coming straight from the throat already. I question intensity. Because, Gabe, you know how many football players want offers, right? Every football player in high school said they want offers, right? But you don't have to answer like right there unless you got to answer how many football players are going to get 5 offers. Not a lot, right? But everybody says they want offers. Every football player wants offers, right? Neither. Everybody says they want to get the GPA up, right? And you in college, so you know how many actual college students get that GPA up when they said they wanted to. You see what I'm saying? Now I asked y'all that question. Everybody raised their hand. How many y'all can walk it like you talk? Everybody's like, yeah, I'm walking it. I'm walking it. I'm walking it, right? But see, it's easy. Look, it's easy to see the cake and not realize the foundation. You don't see the eggs, you don't see the flour. It's easy to see the icing, it's easy to see when the cake is all finished. And that's what y'all looking at. I'm not saying change your dream, Gabe, but if your intensity don't match it, boy, that's what I'm saying. But I got faith in you, you gonna match it. Every single one of you that got goals, you gonna match it. Grades, clothing line, whatever it is, you gonna match it, right? But let me tell y'all what y'all sound like when you just talk it, but you don't walk it. Listen to me now. Hear what I'm saying? Y'all ever seen Chihuahua, right? You seen Chihuahua, right? Now when you see Chihuahua on the street, it's barking at you. It's talking. Then once you step to it though, like, bro, I didn't even mean nothing like that, bro. I'm just saying, like, I just seen what you was like, you know what I'm saying? I knew you was gonna step to me like that. That's what y'all sound like when you talk about these goals, but you ain't walking them, right? That's exactly what you sound like. Now, imagine you the Chihuahua, right? Me stepping to you, I'm stressed, I'm pressured, I'm pain, adversity. Once all those things hit you, you don't want to walk it no more. You don't want to walk it. You scared. That's why I asked you, do you want to be a Chihuahua or do you want to be a pit bull?
Come on now.
You want to be a pit bull. Y'all know what pit bulls do. They gonna bark, but they gonna come after your behind too. They gonna come after your behind. You don't see no pit bulls in the street barking and you step to it, it's like, what's up? What you need? Like you coming up to me, what do you need? You hear what you need. And I need y'all to get that same mindset when we talking about your life, when we talking about your goals, and we talking about your dreams. Because look, I'm 21, some of you see a lot more life than me, but I can guarantee you, the minute you say that you want something, life is going to challenge you. Life is going to challenge you. Life is going to challenge you. The minute you say, hey, I want them offers, it's going to be harder than you ever thought of, ever. It's going to be harder. You said you want to put your, GPA back up. It's going to be harder than you just saying that you want it. You want to excel in math. It's going to be harder. It's going to be harder. You want A's in your class? You can't hang out every weekend. look, if you want good grades, and trust me, I know because I tried it. I tried it. Look, when I was younger, and look, you can ask my parents, school wasn't my thing. It wasn't my thing. I wasn't a bad kid, but, you know, I'm hard-headed. You know what I mean? Knucklehead, stubborn. I'm just like, I'd rather kick it with the homies and stuff like that. Grades still didn't come. Grades still didn't come. And it wasn't until I got to a point where it was like, no matter what, I'm going to get these grades up. I'm going to get these grades up. And you guys have to get to a point where you're not just talking it. It's not important to talk it. It's more important to walk it. It's more important about what you do. Nobody cares about what you're saying. Because everybody's goals, I can ask everybody in here what their goals are. And I guarantee you, every single one, I don't care if it's you want to be the manager, you want to get the head spot at your job, I don't care if you want to be an athlete, designer, school teacher, whatever you want to be, all those goals are good goals. Like I said in the beginning, where's your intensity? Where's your intensity? Look, let me put it to you this way. Jesus, down the cross, right? For us. He talked it first. Now, how would we feel if he didn't walk it? Now, I don't think y'all heard what I said. He said he was going to die for us, sacrifice himself for us. He said that. Now, what if he didn't follow through? What if he didn't do what he was going to say he was going to do? And what if he didn't? We'd be upset. We'd be hot. Like, yo, what happened? Oh, you ain't real, you ain't nothing. Like, we'd be on him for that. More than everybody already was. Now, what I need y'all to do in here is take your goals seriously. Understand that when you say you want to be this and you want to do that, oh man, your intensity has to match the intensity of everything coming to you.
Yes.
I'm serious right now because look, and this is the best example I use. For those of you in here, y'all know working out is my thing. I love working out, I love doing my thing. You know how many people come to me daily? Pat, why don't you train me, bro? Like, can I work out with you? Can I do that? I'm like, for sure. We get it in. That's that pit bull coming at me. And, you know, look, I'm small like one, but hey, that's the pit bull in here. That's that heart right there. That's the reason that line is up there. You know what I'm saying? Small in stature, but hey, I ain't giving up for nothing. I don't care what comes this way. I don't care what comes this way. I don't care what comes this way. But yeah, people come up to me all the time and like, yo, man, I just want to work out. Like, I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do what you do. I'm like, you sure? You sure you want to do that? Like, yeah. So, I take them in there. They probably last a day or so. And I don't see them no more. And I'm like, yo, what happened? Like, man, you crazy, man. You just, man, and you in there, you doing all this stuff, man. You working out for 2 hours, man. Ain't tired, ain't nothing. Like, you, man, you crazy. You taking it too serious. And I'm just like, hold on. Too serious? You know, and maybe you're right, or maybe you just don't take it serious enough. Because this ain't just working out for me. It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle for me. And for all y'all in this room, you need to take it serious. You need to take your goals serious. God ain't playing with you up there. He ain't playing with your life. It's fragile. You gotta be careful with it. And I understand, look, we all make mistakes. We all do. Bad things happen. Adversity comes. I get it. But you have to get to a point where you tell yourself, no matter what, I got this goal, I'm gonna reach it. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. And a lot of y'all sit around in the room like, man, I'm letting down. Like, I let down my moms, I let down pops, I let down grandma, I let down my husband, my wife. Right? You gotta get to a point where you let yourself down. Because it's not their job to dictate how your life goes. Right? It's not. Look, the man upstairs, he's gonna do everything he can. He's gonna do everything he can for you. But I think the problem with a lot of us, like I said, we talk, we pray and we pray and we pray, but we don't work. We don't work. We don't work. We don't work. A lot of you want these goals, and like I said, it's good, like it feels good to have these goals. But a lot of you are lazy.
Hey now. Hey.
A lot of of y'all lazy. And look, I've been there too. I'm not just saying like y'all lazy. I'm not. Like I'm in it. Like no, we've all had that point where it's just we lazy. You know what I'm saying? We hyped up. We hyped up until the pressure comes. We hyped up until the fire comes. Until we inhale. Like we ain't. Once we get there, we not. Nah. You're like, man, I'm tired, man. I'm tired. My goal ain't came yet, man. You ain't been working for 3 months. We ain't been working that long, but you already tired. That's why I say intensity. And look, y'all sitting here running away from the fire. You run away from stress and you run away from pressure. Y'all know how a diamond is made? Y'all know how a diamond is made, right? You gotta put it through fire. You gotta put it through stress. You gotta mold it. You gotta mold it. And y'all running from this. Y'all running from adversity, but that's the thing that's gonna make you shine. That's the thing. And look, I ain't no super spiritual person, but I think that's what God's trying to get us to understand. You can't run from adversity. Because the more you run, the bigger it becomes. You can't run from that. And understand when you're on this journey trying to be successful and things like that, it's gonna hurt. That's why I use the example of working out. Everybody here works out. It don't feel good. It don't feel good. It hurt, right? You try to get that last rep and it hurt. You're like, I can't go no more. I can't go. But what happens when you get that last rep? You feel good. You feel good. You feel amazing. You like, dang, you in the mirror. You looking at it. You ain't got the ass. Oh man. Oh God. And then you don't want to stop. The same thing is you guys look at it that way, because look, I like to use examples and things like that, metaphors, right? Hey, I kid you not, you think you put your life into something that you do daily? Oh, you're not gonna play with it no more. You're not gonna be talking like no chihuahua no more. I'm just saying, man, a lot of y'all talk too much. Like, what are you doing? What you talking to me for? Like I said, y'all can tell me how it goes. I'm like, oh yeah, that's solid, like that's cool. But what are you talking to me for? If you have no intent of going and working after what you just talked to me about, then the goal really ain't a goal, in my opinion, it's just a wish. It's just a wish. And this ain't look, this is real life, this ain't no fairy tale. You gotta go, you go work at it. You just because you want it, it's not gonna be handed to you. Who's gonna give it to you? You need to stop. You need to stop acting and stop trying. I always say trying is not doing. Trying is not doing. Oh, I tried, so it's cool, like whatever, I just stopped. Like, no, you gotta keep hitting that brick wall till you break through.
There you go. Yep.
Come on now. Sorry, I'm just feeling it. I'm just feeling it. Look, coming from a kid, look, I didn't like to listen to my mom. Hey mom, I just want to say I'm sorry.
Well, nah.
You know, Pop's back there. No, stay back there. No. No, but Pops, you know, I used to get into with my parents all the time over dumb stuff. Schoolwork being the main thing. But what I didn't understand was they wasn't trying to get on me. They knew I had potential. They just wanted me to see it. So allow me to do that for you today. Because some of you in here, everybody in here got some potential. Everybody does. But there's a lot of you in here that don't see it. Like, oh, I'm this age, like it's over for me. No, it ain't over until God says it's over.
That's right.
Like, what are you talking about? It's over. It's over. It ain't over until He says it's over. What they say to the fat lady sing? It ain't over until the end. You got a lot of life left. Yes. And it ain't over until it's over.